That'll do it. We got a pallet of wood back to the cabin. I got the back blade on. The wood stove's in good shape. We got 6 inches of snow 2 days ago. And I think we're supposed to get another 6 to 10 inches today. So we got to start prepping for winter. We got the firewood done at least for the winter. Back blade's on, so yeah, I guess we're ready. Let it snow. I got the plumbing fixed for the boiler. Boy, you don't realize how dirty your house is till you get fresh snow on it. A little bit of staining from our water. Our water doesn't have a lot of rust in it. But yeah. All right, let's see what else we can get ourselves into today. Boy, we got a lot of snow. They called for 7 to 10 inches. We got exactly 7 here last night. And since Thanksgiving, we've gotten 13 inches of snow. I'll put some measurements here, and you just saw what we got out there. We don't too often get a lot of snow around Thanksgiving, but I like it. Right before I went to Florida, my tractor stopped running, just out of the blue. Changed the ignition, or the ignition switch. I happened to have one laying around. I knew the old one was going bad, and it took care of it right away. And then a day or two later, no spark condition again. So now I'm thinking points and condenser, and so I got a cap and rotor, points and condenser. We'll put all that in so it happens. But let's try it just to make sure. You know, I've been sitting in here 2 weeks now, 2 weeks since I went to Florida. It'll be 2 weeks, not 10 days. Okay, make sure we're in neutral. Always double check it, guys, especially if you're standing in the front. Double check it. Let's turn on the gas just in case it does want to pop. All right. Starter ignition switch is pulled out. All right, what do I do now? Do I go and change the cap and rotor? I think so. We'll at least change the cap and rotor. Maybe we don't need to take the condenser out. That's funny. So let's do this anyhow. There's the new parts. Good grief. That's funny. Now it starts. The other day I had no spark, but I even inspected the cap, distributor cap here, and it did look pretty clean. But, oh God, I didn't have it clipped on either. All right, put it back on anyhow. It's really not that bad, is it? But these are real shiny, so we'll go with this one. There we go. I think we're going to put all that stuff back in the bag, and I'll just label it new parts and pieces and hang it up somewhere so I'll lose it again. I think I already have the same setup around here somewhere. We got the old Farmall red running now. I'm happy about that, so that was easy. I'm not going to change the points and condensers right now. I'll maybe do that in spring. Looks like I'm going to get away with it for a while. Let's see what else we can get ourselves into. I got the back blade on the tractor as you saw yesterday, so I think we got a lot of work to do there. So maybe we'll go take care of that in a few minutes. What's Jill up to today?
Oh, I made bone broth and I'm gonna can it.
All right, from
our turkey. I'm making turkey noodle soup.
Ooh, it's gonna be a good day here in the Homestead. As I'm on this tractor thinking about being cold and chilled, my cousin just drove down to Florida and he's there today. He left just in the nick of time. He lives about 20 miles from here, and I'm sure he got pounded with snow over there. And guess what, Jim? I've spent 2 hours on this tractor, something you don't have to do now that you're in Florida. Guys, that'll about do it for this video. I do have the rifle out here. It's still deer season here, rifle season, for a couple more days. Then we go back into bow and then back into muzzleloader. Muzzleloader in our area, we can go back to using rifles again. I wish I would change that back to muzzleloaders, but anyhow, you saw I got a lot done. I got the back blade on. Took that old crane off. What else did I do? Moved the pallet of firewood back here. Got everything cleaned up after our blizzard. So in the last couple of days, we've gotten 13 inches of snow. 6 on Thursday or Friday after Thanksgiving, and then yesterday we had another 7. What else? I guess that's about it, guys. If I do see anything coming around, if I get something, I'll be sure to fire the camera back up and bring you along with us in that video, in this video as well. But if not, that'll do it, guys. So I'll sign off now. Take care. We'll see you out here next time.